Hello students, welcome you all to my channel. Hope all are doing fine in this lockdown period, and I also guess you will be taking or spending some time in watching my videos and learning something new. Okay, and today in this video we are going to learn another named reaction which is called as Knoevenagel reaction. Okay, so it's spelling Knoevenagel. So write down the statement for the students. Aldehydes and ketones react with compounds containing activated methylene group. Underline that, activated methylene group in the presence of a base and produce alpha, beta unsaturated compounds. Okay. So I want to show you what active methylene group is. Okay. So active methylene group is nothing but CH2 group is called as methylene group, students. Okay. But when it is present between two highly reactive C double bond O groups, then it is called as active methylene group. Okay. So now in this reaction, aldehydes and ketones react with the compounds consisting of active methylene group. So the compound that is taken for this reaction which is having active methylene group is malonic acid. Okay. So look here, this is malonic acid. Malonic acid is COOH, CH2, COOH. Here you can observe there is methylene group in between two carbonyl groups in malonic acid. Hence this is taken for Knoevenagel reaction. It can also be written as CH2COOH twice. Okay. So now write down the reaction for this Knoevenagel reaction. Benzaldehyde C6H5CHO is the aldehyde taken. It reacts with malonic acid in the presence of a base. The base taken here is ammonia NH3. Okay. So forming alpha beta unsaturated acids. So when we have taken benzaldehyde and malonic acid, we get the product or the compound cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid formula C6H5, structure CH double bond CH COOH. Okay. Now let us look at the mechanism of this reaction. Carefully follow. Okay. So first step is taking malonic acid. Malonic acid is CH2COOH twice, na? But I am writing one hydrogen separately. Okay. CH2COOH twice. So the reaction is taking place in the presence of a base. So ammonia is written here. You all know that nitrogen has one lone pair of electrons. Okay. So what it does with its lone pair of electrons? With the help of its lone pair of electrons, it abstracts the hydrogen of methylene group. See, it is taking as H+. Okay. Then these electrons are shifted towards carbon. Okay. Mark the arrows properly. So what happens? CH. So the two electrons coming onto the carbon. So minus COOH twice. So what happens, students, when H is coming as H plus 2 NH3, it forms ammonium ion NH4 plus. Positive is on nitrogen now. Why? Because it has no lone pair of electrons. With that lone pair only, it has taken H plus. Okay. So therefore, ammonium ion, always remember to write positive charge on nitrogen. Many of the students will be writing on hydrogen. It is wrong. Okay. So remember that. Next, second step, what happens? Taking benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond O H. Here comes the carbon ion formed in the first step. Okay, here what happens? These pi electrons will be shifted to oxygen, by which oxygen becomes gets or acquires negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Okay, so this negative charge, that means carbon ion, attacks the carbonyl carbon. So what forms? C6H5 CO minus. Here is hydrogen. Now here comes CHCOOH twice. Okay. Now how this negative charge on carbon is, oxygen is satisfied. So what it will do? Oxygen with its negative charge. See, in the first step NH4 plus has come out, right? So that is ammonium ion. That means one hydrogen is extra here, that is H plus. Okay. So O with its negative charge attracts this H plus. So here, so H plus goes to O minus. So what remains when there is when it loses one hydrogen? There will be NH3. So minus NH3. Next, C6H5 CHOH. Okay, here is CH. I am writing hydrogen separately. COOH twice. Okay. So when I write hydrogen separately and when there is OH on the next carbon, so you all will know that HOH comes out as minus H2O. So what happens when H2O is removed? We get C6H5 CH double bond C, one COOH I am writing here. Carefully observe here, students. The other COOH I am writing separately. C double bond O, OH. Okay. So what is here? There are two COOH groups. So here I am writing one COOH but another COOH separately to show some rearrangement here. Okay. What happens? This bond shifts here and this bond shifts here. So H as H plus comes to this carbon. Okay. So what are you observing here? C double bond O is there, double bond O. So it comes out as, what is CO2? It is carbon dioxide. Okay. Minus CO2. So what remains, students? C6H5 CH double bond CH COOH. What is the name of this compound? Cinnamic acid. Okay, this is about Knoevenagel reaction. Okay, so benzaldehyde reacts with malonic acid. So it consists of active methylene group in the presence of a base forming alpha beta unsaturated acids. So in this reaction, the compound obtained is called as cinnamic acid. Okay. So this is the mechanism, students. So carefully write down in your notebook and practice well. Okay. Thank you.